Hello and welcome, future tech wizards. I'm here as an experienced cloud architect who has seen the ins and outs of AWS cloud, security, and architecture. But today, I'm going to share a story, not my own, but that of a colleague, a software developer whose journey to landing a job at one of the top 500 companies is both inspiring and instructional. My role in this tale is unique. Having worked with over 20,000 developers, I've seen many such journeys, but this one stands out. His journey, much like many of yours, began without a traditional computer science degree or bootcamp experience. From his first Hello World program to landing a job at a prestigious company, his path was filled with trials, errors, and self-discovery. His initial approach was scattered, countless hours on YouTube tutorials, a plethora of Udemy courses, and a myriad of learning resources, many of which, in hindsight, were not aligned with his goal to become a software engineer. Reflecting on this journey, he realized the importance of focused learning. If he had concentrated on the essentials from the start, he could have achieved his current standing in just 6 months instead of 2 years. Today, he and I aim to strip away the non-essential and guide you on the most efficient path to becoming a full-time software engineer. Let's dive into the 3 major mistakes that can impede your progress and how to avoid them. The first step for any new programmer is choosing the right programming language. Python emerged as his ideal choice: intuitive, versatile, and efficient. Python's syntax is close to English, making it accessible to beginners, yet its applications span a range of fields, from web development to data science. But Python is just the beginning. Being familiar with HTML is also vital, laying the groundwork for understanding web development. As he progressed, integrating AWS services became a crucial part of his learning journey. This combination of Python, HTML, and AWS Amplify formed the cornerstone of his development skill set. His approach to learning coding was hands-on. He believed in learning by doing, a philosophy that transformed his theoretical knowledge into practical skills. Starting with Python, he undertook basic projects and progressively tackled more complex challenges, including integrating AWS services into his work. This practical approach set his learning apart from passive tutorial consumption. A significant phase in his journey was exploring AWS Amplify and React for front-end technologies. These tools, coupled with his back-end Python skills, prepared him for the real-world scenarios in modern web development. He built various projects, ranging from simple web applications to sophisticated platforms, showcasing his growing expertise. When it came time to enter the job market, he focused on how his projects and skills aligned with industry needs, particularly his experience with AWS services. Tech companies value practical experience with cloud services, and his hands-on experience with AWS Amplify became a key differentiator in his job applications. One of the most crucial lessons from his journey is perseverance. The tech job market is competitive, and rejections are part of the process. He advises not to get discouraged by setbacks. Each rejection is an opportunity to learn and improve, bringing you one step closer to your goal. In conclusion, his story is a testament to focused learning, practical application, and unwavering perseverance. As you embark on your journey in software development, remember that the path might be challenging, but with a strategic approach, it's certainly achievable. Thank you for joining me in this exploration. I hope this story inspires you and equips you with the knowledge to fast-track your career in software development. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get ahead of more cloud computing snippets.